Today I'm going to show you how to add custom vehicles to your FiveM server and how to make them FiveM ready if they aren't. To make this possible, you will need OpenIV, WinRAR 7-zip, a place to get the vehicles. I will be using GTA5mods.com doing this holiday livery, and you'll need the resource.lua. I'll leave that in the description so you can download it and open that up so you can see what's in there. Alright, what you want to do first is go to your server resources, and we'll make a folder called cars with brackets. I already have one, so for the tutorial I'll make another one called cars 2, again with the brackets. If you want to install multiple cars, you need the brackets so you don't have to ensure them all individually. Now once you have this done, we're going to go to our server CFG and ensure the folder. Just put it at the bottom here. And then we can save that and close out of this. Alright, so once you found the vehicle you like, we're going to get our folder set up. So you can go back to your resources and go to the cars folder. We'll make a new folder in here and name the car. So I'll do Christmas Kuruma. And then in the folder you named, go in again, make a new folder and call it stream. And then in this same space here, you're going to drag the resource in. Now we're going to go back to where you get the car from. You can just leave that open for now. And we're going to download it. Once you have the vehicle downloaded, you can close out whatever site you got it from and just leave the file open. We're then going to go into OpenIV. You're going to go to Windows. And once we are in here, you got to make sure you go into edit mode. Click yes, and then back in the folder with the vehicle, we're going to go in here and get the DLC RPF and just drag it over here. Alright, next we want to go back to our server resources, go back to the car, and just open that folder. Once we're here, we're going to go into data and OpenIV. Let me move it so it's visible. Take all the meta files and drag them into the open space just like that. Then we're going to go back and go into the x64 folder. This is just the language. We're going to go into vehicle mods, into the mods RPF, and we're going to take all of these and drag them into the stream folder. All the YFTs go into the stream. We're going to go back and we have to make sure the vehicle's RPF is empty as well. There's some stuff in here, so we'll also drag this into the stream folder. After you've done that step, the install is complete, so you can close out of everything and boot up your server and spawn the car in. Before you do that, if you go to the vehicles.meta, you can see the model name is the spawn code for the car. So the vehicle you want to install is already FiveM ready. The process is much simpler. Again, go back to the site where you get the cars from. Go ahead and download the car. Once you open the folder, it's normally separated into FiveM as single player. Close out of the pop-ups. We're going to go into FiveM, and here's a folder with everything we just did but already put there for us. What we're going to do is go back to our server resources, go back to our cars folder, and then just drag this in here. Alright, now that we're in, we're going to go ahead and spawn the cars. So first the Kuruma, this one works, and then we're going to spawn in the other one, and this one works as well.